How to buy a chandelier. Chandeliers are like pieces of jewelry for your home that reflect your personal style. But before you select a chandelier, there are a few things you should take into consideration. This video will help you find the right chandelier for your needs. Chandelier size. To look and function its best, your chandelier needs to be the proper width and height. Here's how to figure out both. To figure out your chandelier width, measure the length of the room. Next, measure the width. The length of the room plus the width equals the most appropriate chandelier width in inches. Once you know the chandelier width, it's time to pick the right chandelier height. To determine the chandelier height, first measure the room height. Next, multiply the room height by 3. This equals the suggested height of your chandelier in inches. The hanging height of your chandelier depends on where it goes. If you're hanging in above a dining room table, the bottom should be 32 to 34 inches above the tabletop. For chandeliers hung over the open floor, the bottom should be at least 7 feet above the floor. Over a kitchen island, a height of 32 to 34 inches over the counter is recommended. In an open foyer, hang the chandelier at eye level or slightly below when viewed from the second floor. Now you can choose the perfect chandelier for your space. Thanks for watching.